Greetings team. I welcome you all to our today's course. In our today's training, I want to teach you on how to create your account. So if it is your first time, you do not have an account, and this account that I want to teach you, it is a trading broker. Okay, so these are the steps that you need to follow. So step 1, you need to press on the link below. This is the link that I want you, which you need to press on. So once you press on this link, let us press on it. So once you press on this link, it will take you to the broker, to this broker. So now when you come here, you see there's sign up. You see there's sign up. There's sign up where you need to enter your email. So make sure that you put an active email. So after putting an active email, you need to agree to the terms and conditions. Then that is when you press on create demo account. Okay. So the reason why you need to put an active email, because for you to activate the account, the email will be sent, the message will be sent to your email. So let me put an account here. Let me put an account. I'll just use an account just to show you on how to go about it. Let's say I'll use this email. Then I agree. Then I'll press on create demo account. Once I press on create demo account like that, so you see they are saying we have sent you a message with a link to activate your account. So no wonder I was saying that it is very important that you put an active email. So once I check here, you see, once I check here, there's supposed to be an email. Okay, let me just go direct to the email. Let me go direct to the email. Let me go direct to the email. The email, so that I confirm. Okay, so you see the confirmation. So let me go to the email. So where is that? Okay, here we go. So you see this is a text which has come here. This is a text which has come to say you are nearly there. So thank you for creating your account with us. To complete your sign up, please, you need to verify your email. So I need to press here. Okay, I need to press here. That is where I need to press. Then we press like that. Okay, then it takes you direct into the account. It simply means that you have created an account. Okay, it simply means that you have created an account. Okay, so let us wait. The network is a little bit slow. The network is a little bit slow, so let us wait. So there was a problem. Let's try to refresh. There was a little bit of problem. Maybe it could be network. Let us try to refresh. Just try to refresh. Let us go back to the email. I'm sure there's an issue with the network. There's an issue with network. So let us try to go back there. Okay. We go back. So make sure that you don't miss the step. So have you seen? So once you press there, this is what it will bring. You need to put your country. Make sure that you put the country where the country, don't just put any country, but where you stay. So here we'll go there, I'll put Zambia. I'll put Zambia since I'm in Zambia. I'll search for Zambia there. I'll just type Zambia. Then it will bring Zambia there. Then I'll press on Zambia like that. Then on citizenship. So citizenship, I'm also in Zambia. I'm a citizenship of Zambia. I'll press also Zambia there. The reason being it is you can be in the country, but where you stay, you can be in America, but where you stay, you are in Zambia. So no wonder they're asking for citizenship. You can be in Zambia, maybe. You can be in South Africa, but you stay in Zambia. So here I'm in Zambia. Right now, my country is Zambia. I'm also a citizen of Zambia. Then I'll press on next. Okay, I'll press on next. So once I press on next like that, they will tell me to put a password. So must put a password. Okay, you must put a password. So let me put this password. So you need to put a password, the password that you can't remember, you can't forget. Okay, the password that you can't forget, a strong password. Then you press on start trading. Okay, then after pressing on start trading like that, you wait until it finishes to. So my account has been created. So there are options that you can choose here. They are saying, do you want to go with multiplier, or there are two options here. If you want to create, there's one, there is two. Okay, there's 1 and 2. Then these are just there to guide you, to say you'll be seeing all these functions, but you go on next. It is what you are going to see. You press on next here. You press on next here below, next, like that. Then you go on next again. You go on next again. You press on next again. You press on next again. Then you press on start trading. Okay. So this is what it tells. This is what it shows. Okay. Then they are saying you can now switch between real and real and demo account. Okay. So I'll press next like that. Okay, I'll also press next, or I'll press on OK. So this is what it shows. Are you seeing? This is what it shows. So when you see there's this demo account which has been created from the moment I created an account. This was the demo account, okay, which comes on this option. So there's another option here, okay. So now, apart from this, what you need to do now, you must create this account code. You must create this account code, DERIV Trader, okay. So you press on open, okay. There are a lot of accounts here, as you can see. There are a lot of accounts here, but I want you need to create DERIV Trader, okay. The reason why you want to create that, you want to create a dollar account. Then once I press on open like that, okay. So this is what it is showing now. This is what it's showing. So now what I want you to do is, from here now, I want you to press here. Okay, have you seen this small arrow here? Like a point. That is where you press, okay? That is where you press. So we'll go there. We'll go there. Once you press on that arrow, it will bring option. This is the option that it will bring, okay? This is the option that it will bring. Then you go on real account. You go on real account here. Okay? Because this was demo, you go on new account. So once you press on new account there, you see these options here. You see these options here. So we'll press on add. Okay? We'll press on add. Once we press on add, it will bring, when you look here on top, there is what we call flat money or flat currencies. There's also, we have got also cryptocurrency. Okay, so you go on US dollar. US dollar. So you press on US dollar. If you want to create a Bitcoin account, you want to create cryptocurrencies, you can choose this. So this is where you want to this is where these accounts, if you want to be depositing using cryptocurrency, you can create these here down. But we are interested in dollar, so you select dollar, then you press next here. Okay, then next. Now you need to put the names, your names, the names that you're going to put should be the exact name on your details. Okay, I mean on your ID. The same details on your IDs. These are the details that you must put there. So let's say I'll put success. If this is my name, I'm just doing the demo. Success come. Okay, success come. Okay, then I'll put the date of birth. I will say 19. You can put any. If you are 1990, you can put. Then you select, but you put the exact date. Then you can even put the phone number. You can put the phone number, your active phone number. So I'm just putting this is just for you to show you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then after doing that, just to confirm, make sure that the names that you are going to put here should be the exact names which are appearing on your NRC or on your ID, okay, or on your passport. Then I'll press on next now. Then you put address here. So the address that you put, it should be the same address that is on your bank account. Okay, so that the moment you want to verify your account, it will be easy for you for them to approve you. Then we'll press here country, Lusaka, seat of can put like that. Okay, Lusaka. Then you can put the code like that. If you are in Lusaka, you put that. Then you press next. Then make sure that once you reach here, I'm not. You select. Okay, you select here like that. After selecting, then you press add. So your dollar account is ready. So it simply means you have created a dollar account. So if you want to deposit, you can go on deposit. If you are not ready, you just go on maybe later. So we'll press on maybe later. So this is a dollar account. So on the dollar account, when you press on your dollar account, this is a dollar account. Have you seen? So this is account that you have created. There's zero zero because there's no any money. This is when I've just created. So from this point, what you do now is you can come here, you press here. Have you seen this sign here? You press there. Once you press there, it will bring this option. Then you come on. You choose this second candle. Okay, you press there. In fact, you select any time frame here. Let's say, for example, you select 1 minute. When you select 1 minute, after selecting 1 minute, then it will give you an option, then you go on candle. Then after pressing on candle like that, then you press cancel here, so that you see, have you seen it has shown you now the chart of a candle. Now you go again here now, another step, you go again here like that. On that arrow, we want to create an account which can, we want to create an account, the one which you'll be using to link to your MT5. Then now you come here, okay, you press here. After pressing there like that, it will bring you into, it will bring you like that, okay. So meaning we have moved from this option where there was a dollar account, we want now to, we are here now. So this is where we are. No wonder you are able to see these other accounts. Now, these other accounts, we want to create this account, okay. This account, it is for DERIV MT5. So we'll pick the first account, the second, where we'll press where it says get. So once we press here, there are two options. There's option number 1, there's option number 2. So this one, which is showing Britain, you need proof of address where you stay. Now we'll select the first one, this one here. We'll select this one where you don't require doing that. You just press there. It brings the issue of next here, okay. It brings the issue of next. Then you press on next, okay. You put the same password that you used at first, okay. You put the same password that you used at first, okay. You use the same password that you used at first. You use the same password that you used at first, okay. So now after creating, you can, if you want to transfer, you can go on transfer, but we'll go on maybe later, okay. Then you press like that. So it simply means you have created this account. This account here, have you seen? This account. So this is how you create an account. So from here, when you press on open, these are the details that you need in order for you to link it to your MT5. So from here now you go back, you press, from here now you press here, there, okay. After pressing there, you go on this option on top. After pressing this option on top, like that, you wait it for it to load. Then you are back to the account. You are back to account. You need just to press here on this account if you want to deposit, or you want to do what? If you want to deposit, you want to do anything, you just press there. Then you go on open DTrader there. Open DTrader like that. Then you are back there, okay. You are back there. So if you want, you can change from here. You can change, if you want to start trying to trade, you can change from new account. Then you go on demo like that. Then you select, you select demo here if you want to start trying to practice just on this platform like that, okay, like that. So a demo account, it is an account which is given for you to practice. It is not a real account. It means that when you make profit, you can't withdraw that profit. When you lose, it can't affect you in any way. So the network is a little bit slow. Okay, so it is trying to load. So this is how you create an account. This is how you create an account. These are the steps that you need to follow in order to on how to create an account. In the next video, I'll show you on how to link your account to your MT5 broker. Okay, to your MT5 broker. So this is where we end. Let us meet. This is where we end. Okay, the network is a little bit slow. The network is a little bit slow. So this is a demo account. Okay, this is a demo account. So this is a demo account. You can even start practicing here. Okay, you can even start practicing here. You press if it is down here, you can press down and it lies. It is up to you. You can say down. Once you press like that, it simply means you have opened it. You have opened a trade there. Okay, you have opened a trade there. Once you come here, you check if you have win or you have made a loss. It is up to you. So this is where we end. If you want to go back, you press again there. If you want to go back to your real account, you press there. Then you select real account. Then you press here on dollar, like that. Then it goes back to the dollar account. Okay. So that is where we end, you people. That is where we end, you people. Let us team, let us meet to the next course. Bye bye. More success.